is first and foremost of you were perfect. They have written of design from classes, elegance and wedding. You are gone embellish with reading and allocate this fabric's air selection to fabric air select to ensure us that you will look is when selecting a wedding dress. This dress is air made from luxurious material like and silk and the high quality fabrics that you will look and feel like a true rinses on your big day. Your wedding dress is just the beginning of your look. Accessories are important completing your wedding day. Other your can add jewelry and hair piece and feel like absolutely rinses on your day. The quality and pair and parallel that every switch detail to you are the choice of a dream pick you outfit in a additional touch with so the possibilities here handles in the choose to select accessories that complement and enhance the beauty of your natural. Remember the price does not delicate the beauty of dress. It is the way it makes you feel that really matter. You do not have to break the bank to find that perfect go the on that will make you feel confident, beauty and special on your day. One of the most wonderful aspects of wedding dresses is the come in that everybody confident dress that are perfectly even if you can find it with you looking for. First up we have the classes beyond this rigid to help you get started on your wedding. First will me have wedding areas that are with in precision with you and guide you to world is finding the perfect ground for your special day. First and foremost, explore the classes style. This timeless design is perfect for the wants to feel like and with skin the body fabric such as silk and minimalist accessories to create look for the following. Rest is the way to go. This dress is future soft romantic fabric such is helpful to turning along a trust friend or family member can offer their honest opening and provide and giving support throughout your design making prices to help you get started on your wedding dress journey. Have of that I believe in conversation with me future golden to show that there is a world perfectly tied to you choosing sending the option and available is that you will find the rest of your dream perfectly with minds and your special day to your personal style. New talk about the ring of whether your wedding takes place in a grand rest showed that there is a king out here there that will make you feel like the most beautiful bride in the world. The variety of options and styles that you will find the place of your dream minds and try on different styles to say what show you best. It can be helped to earning a long trusted friend or family member can or their hands opinion and support you in your decision making process. Dive into some areas that I believe will encourage you and help you will find the perfect bow for your special day. Dresses can be paired with many most accessories to create a check that confident elegance and beauty. Sheer beauty, the perfect wedding dress. Your wedding day is annually on of the most special and beautiful. Understand a rest called be the perfect choose. This style is sleek and modern with have hot dead skins. The body dresses their mood from lights fabric such as silk, air cream, air loose and me on with floral details. Air bahu rest is perfect for a relaxed outdoor wedding and can be paired with loose following hair and delicate jewelry for the ultimate wahoomin of you are planning a butt bending simple lights weight dress is the where to go. Look for a dress made from a fabric. You can see this in my wedding dress. It can pride with loose